Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to the University of Lahore and to the Faculty of Allied Health Sciences, where we are offering different courses under umbrella of Department of Rehabilitation Sciences. Today we are discussing about the BS Orthotics and Prosthetics technology. It is BS OPT. It is 4 years program with 8 semesters. The credit hours are 136 and the eligibility criteria is minimum 50% marks in FSC, pre-medical or equivalent. This program is offered by many national and international institutions having lot of demand. This program is covering the field of prosthetics and orthotics, which is a branch of rehabilitative sciences, or we can say the rehabilitated treatment of locomotor disabilities or neuromuscular disorders. A prosthetist is a healthcare professional who makes and fits artificial limbs, which are called prostheses, for people with disabilities, whereas the orthotists and prosthetists receive special education and training in graduate programs or internships. That's why we are offering this 4 years BS program. The artificial limbs are known as prostheses, and the orthosis is basically an externally applied device that modifies the structural and functional characteristics of skeletal and neuromuscular system and supports individuals in mobility. We are required to read the details about this field. We will have some more videos about its applications, career counseling in near future. It is a bachelor program and it will be covering lot of things, especially related to the locomotor system and neuromuscular system. These people can get jobs in healthcare as consultants, lecturers, establishment of a fabrication unit or rehabilitation center. Their salaries in Pakistan ranges from 40,000 to 90,000 after BS, which is in rupees. They can sit for the licensing exam for Canada and America and Australia or UK. There is a lot of demand internationally after passing that licensing exam. So from spring 2022, we are offering this new program, which will be a service to the humanity, and it will add up many things which are good for the profession. So the students are invited to look into it, apply for it, and get graduation in BS Orthotics and Prosthetics. So we look forward to see you people registered in this course. Thank you very much.